What's up guys, so today's video I'm going to show you how you can upload an image using the PC version of Instagram. So you need to log in on your Instagram account, and then you will see this dashboard here, which I've already been logged in. So all you need to do is just right click on your mouse, right click and then inspect. Okay, so right click, inspect, and you will see this kind of option here. You will see a toggle device toolbar. Just click that one and you will see a smaller version of Instagram. So you will choose any device here, for example iPhone X, then refresh the browser. Okay, you just need to refresh, and then you will see now the option of uploading the photos. So let's just click this one and then browse like that, and then click one. Okay, just copy this one. So this is how you post an image using your PC for your Instagram account, and then click share, and then it will loads up, and as you can see we have already been uploaded the photos that we want. So let's just close this one and then refresh on the desktop version, and you can see that we have already been uploading this one. So that's it for the quick tutorial on how you can upload a photo on your Instagram account to your PC or laptop. So thanks for watching.